Welcome my beautiful viewers and subscribers. This is your girl Sonia from Sonia Creative Kitchen, and today me I go make some oven roast fish. So follow me panda one here. Right here guys, as you can see, I have three lovely snapper here. I have my ground provision, all of my ingredients for my fish. I have some garlic salt, onion powder, some fish seasoning, Maggi all-purpose seasoning, and I have another fish seasoning. One is Grace and one is Maggi, and I have some coconut oil and some butter. So guys, I am going to get right into the process of seasoning my fish now. So guys, I'm going to put all of my seasoning in one bowl. This is the garlic salt. Now I'm going to mix them well together. I'm gonna set it aside and get started to saute my. So guys, my stove is already on, so now I'm gonna add some coconut oil into my frying pan. This give it a kick guys, with some butter. All of this butter. So guys, now I'm gonna add some pumpkin. There's a lot on this board here. This board is a flavor board. Now I'm gonna add my carrot. Good thing say me a good arm can hold this. Strong. Wow. I'm gonna saute this, the pumpkin and the carrot. You could smell the coconut oil guys. Smell so good. Now I'm gonna add some bell pepper, different type of sweet pepper, some scotch bonnet pepper, all of my onion, scallion, thyme and garlic. Wow, it's a workout tonight guys. Give this a nice stir, then I'll add the okra. Wow, look beautiful, smell amazing. Amazing, amazing. And guys, how could I forget my favorite spice, pimento or pimenta. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my okra. I have my callaloo. Guys, if you smell this right now, it smells so good. So guys, I'm going to add the same season that I used to do the fish. Put it in here. Give it a nice stir. And now I'm going to add my callaloo. Guys, this is a tin callaloo or canned callaloo, whichever name we choose. You still know what I'm talking about. So the tin go. So now I'm going to add my callaloo. In another couple of weeks we can get the callaloo from the farm, but for now I have to make do with the tin one or can. Black pepper. So guys, I'm gonna give this a nice stir. Turn off my stove, and then you're gonna see the preparation of putting the fish on the foil paper. Check in, guys. So now, wow, I'm going to add some butter to the foil. So guys, first I am going to add some of my lovely vegetable. Smells so good, guys. So now I'm going to add my fish. Guys, this smells so good. I could eat the vegetable just like this. I'm gonna put a couple crackers. If you can't roll, then better roll. You better fit. Don't wanna put too much, and then the rest of the fish don't have anything, so. Okay. So now, guys, I'm gonna bring my file over. Guys, the reason for putting the butter on the foil so that the fish don't stick, and also flavor also too, but the main reason is for the fish not to stick. Guys, you need to try this one with the coconut oil. It smells so good and it gives it a nice flavor, nice liquor kick. So guys, I have to get an extra piece of foil. So everything's sorted out now. So So guys, this is my third one, so I'm just waiting on my oven. It's preheating. So guys, now my oven is preheated, so I'm going to add my fish to the oven. So now guys that my fish is in the oven, don't go anywhere.
1,000 years later.
Check in guys. So as you can see, my fish is ready. I'm gonna open it in the middle right here. Oh boy, smells so good. So good guys. Oh, look at this guys. Guys, this tastes so good. Look, delicious.
And I gotta tell you, it was perfect. Perfect. Everything, down to the last minute details.
So guys, you really need to try this oven roast fish. Tastes so good. Tastes amazing. Tastes amazing guys. Hot. Babe. Guys, look at this. Delicious. The coconut oil with the butter. Full of flavor. Guys, this is a late night settings. This is a late night settings. This oven roast fish. That shot. So good. Guys. Wow. Tastes so good. Very easy to make. This take about 50 minutes. Some depends on the size. Oh boy. Full of flavor. Can't stop eat. So guys, we have made it to the end of our video. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Tell a friend if you tell a friend. Remember say, we say Jamaica. See you on the next video. Bye.